Hey guys, hello, good morning. So I haven't given a proper intro in the previous videos, so I would like to give a proper video in this video so that you would not be confused what I'm doing. Yeah. Okay. So as I had already said, I'm just trying to prepare for the fan companies so that I should be good at data structure, system design, OOPS concept, and all those algorithms. So I have been just started with the data structures with some basic knowledge in the coding. Okay, so I, I have been just fumbling around the linked list for the past 1 week, and I have completed it. And in the upcoming videos, I will complete linked list and the remaining data structures, and also I'll be doing a project. Also, in addition to that, I will also do a video on system design and the doubts I get on the system design and those things. Okay, yeah. Previous week we have been reading about practicing linked list, and while practicing linked list we have already noted that there are mainly two methods for implementing linked list. Okay, so for one of them is recursion. Yeah, we can use recursion in linked list, or else we can use iterative method, like for I equal to 0, like that. We can iterate over each of the nodes in the linked list through iterative method, or else we can use recursion. Okay, I used only iterative method in the earlier videos because I don't know recursion. So today I thought about learning a little bit about recursion. In so yeah, let's get into it. So before recording this video, I have to say, yeah, before recording this video, I have already gone through a few recursive programs, and I just thought to grasp the concept, and yeah, I understood a little. So let's just try to apply it here, and let's see what are the errors I get in this one. Okay, as you guys already know what Fibonacci is. Fibonacci is the sum of two elements, previous two elements. Let me just show you how. It's like 0 1 0 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 2 5. I think you got it. I mean, sum of these two elements will give the next element. I mean, sum of these two gives to the next element. Sum of these two elements gives this next element. Sum of these two gives this next element. Okay, this is called Fibonacci series, and this keeps on going. And the first two numbers of the Fibonacci series is always constant, which is 0 and 1. We should start a Fibonacci series with this one. Mostly it starts with this. Okay, so what we are doing in this program is okay, they are giving a position in the series, and we have to print the element which is in the position using recursion. So they have given third position. They want to print the element in the third position. So let's see what is the element in the third position. This is 0 1 2. This is the third position, which is 2. The element in the third position is 2. So 2 is printed in here. Okay, then let's get into this. If so there is no logic, as I already told you. The first two elements are 0 and 1, and there is no logic further. So just let's give them in this one. If n equals 0, then since this method is of type integer, we have to return an integer. So let's return return 0. Else if n equals 1, then we should return 1. Else what we should return is return Fibonacci. Okay. Of n minus 2 Fibonacci of n minus 1. So what I did here is I'm adding the previous two elements by passing the arguments into this method so that it keeps on going. Okay, just let me check if it is correct or wrong, and I'll explain you the logic. Okay, yeah, I think it's correct. Great, yeah. Okay, what I did here is, can you see the, okay, if the index is 0, it will return 0 because there is no logic for that, right? So yeah, I returned 0 directly. If it is 1, it will return 1 directly. But we can't keep on checking every positions and returning the elements directly. So what I wrote here was so this is 0th position, this is first position. Okay, once it comes to the second position, once n is 2, then it will return Fibonacci of n minus 2 plus Fibonacci of n minus 1, which means as we call Fibonacci method in here, and we are passing n minus 2 inside this method as an argument. So 2, I mean in the index for this is 2, right? Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5. I mean this is the series. Okay, this is series, sorry, and this is index. Okay, so n is, we are passing the index, okay, so that we should get the element in the index of the series. So so once we pass 2 as the index, then while getting into this argument section, we are minusing 2, right? So 2 becomes 0, Fibonacci of 0. Okay, so it will pass into the method as 0 and it returns 0 in here, and we are pressing adding 0 with n minus 1. So what is 1 in here? This is 1, right? It will return 1 because 2 minus 1 is 1, right? So it will pass into the method as 1 and it checks in here and it will return 1. So already it is 0 and here, and it is 1 in here, so 0 plus 1 is 1, right? See, the second position is 1. We got the output. Yeah. Okay, then let's check for the third position how it got output. So once it get okay, so it then once we pass 3 from the main method here, it will come into this method, right? Fibonacci method, and in this it will check if it is 0 or not. If it's 0, it returns 0. If it is 1, it returns 1. Else it comes into this one. So in here we are subtracting 2 from 3, which means 1, right? 3 minus 2 is 1, so it comes under this condition once it comes here. See, once we call this part, it will goes here and it will check these conditions. If it comes under this condition, say it will wait and for the next condition to execute. Okay, so 3 minus 2 is 1, right? So it comes under this, so it would be 1 in here, and 3 minus 1 is 2, so it doesn't comes under this one, so it again comes under else. We had already seen about 2, right? 8 again minus 2, 0, so the n here changes to 2, so 2 minus 2 is 0, so for 0 it will be 0, so 1 plus 0, we already have 1 in here, so in addition to this we have 0, so 1 plus 0 remains 1, and after we go here 2 minus 1 would be 1, which means 1, it comes under here, 1 plus 1 would be 2. There we go, we got the output. Yeah, let's check with all the other test cases. Yeah, cool. We got it right. Great. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.